beautiful sun rays, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a napa cabbage and cucumber salad to help reduce bloating. Y'all, I told you lately, I don't know what it is, but this has been my issue after 35. It just keeps happening. I don't understand why it's happening. You're gonna start by dicing up your one big cucumber. Make them very slim, add some salt to it, set that to the side, let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm so sorry that you cannot hear me on this video, but I found out entirely too late that my audio wasn't working on my mic. It wasn't even on. Y'all, the mic wasn't even on. Anywho, the next thing that you need to do is grab your napa cabbage. I am very weird about using the first layer of the cabbage I pull off, so I kind of toss that to the side. But after that, I just pull them layer by layer, wash them individually, dry them off as much as I can with a paper towel, and then slice them as you see here, all the way down to the very, very end. Then I do a big cut down the center just so that my salad is easier for me to eat. Add all of these things to my bowl that I will be incorporating everything into later. Then I'll add my sweet onion and my sweet red bell pepper. Slice and dice these as you please. And then I'm going to saute them bit by bit into my pan with a little olive oil. And y'all, don't judge my olive oil cruet, as some of you may say. It was definitely a bottle of tequila that has been upcycled to now house my olive oil. For my dressing, I'm going to take 3 gigantic spoonfuls of my Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my whole grain mustard, love this, and about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the mix. Now, that's like the base. Now we're gonna add a little bit of garlic. You can actually do this to your liking. I add some Italian seasoning. I do put a little bit of salt, and at this point I do need to add those onions to my pan so that they can be sauteed with a little bit of sugar. Don't judge, but I do want it to kind of still be a little sweet and savory kind of salad. And when y'all, this is coming from a girl that hates her sweet and savory together, but this is like a nice balance of sweet to savory. It comes together beautifully. Now, because I am sort of kind of rushing, I'm also baking bread at this time. I'm gonna go ahead and set my onion and bell pepper mixture in the fridge so that it can get cold quicker. And at this point, my cucumbers are good to go. So we're gonna wring out the excess water as much as I possibly can. I set it in a paper towel, wring it out some more, and then I'll add all of this to my salad bowl. Now that everything is chilled and ready to go, my peppers and onions are good to be mixed. My dressing is ready as well. We're gonna go ahead and combine all of the things. Y'all, this salad, is a favorite. It's a favorite. Some would call it coleslaw, but it's not that. It's just my salad. Y'all, if you don't know, our cucumbers are packed with water, okay? And that water actually will help flush out all those unwanted toxins that are in your body. Bye-bye bloat. And also the superstar of our show is our napa cabbage. I feel like a lot of people don't buy this actually, but napa cabbage is bursting with nutrients and crunchiness. This beauty is here to save the day. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also a great source of fiber, perfect for keeping our digestive system happy and bloating at bay. Now, here's where we may have lost the bloat fight. I made some tuna fish, okay? And my tuna fish needed to go on my fresh baked bread. So I said, we're gonna have a tuna fish sandwich and that salad. I was just gonna eat the salad. I can eat the salad all by itself. It's perfectly great. But I did bake bread today. I will put that in another video, but y'all, for now, I'm gonna enjoy my salad and my little sandwich. Good night, y'all. Bye.